So social skills are the ability to, first of all, the word connect. You have to connect. So the question is, how can we connect? We can connect with parents. We can connect easily with my siblings, cousins. But how about connecting with the strangers? Number one. That's a question that you have to ask yourself. Then communicate. After connecting with someone, how can I communicate with them? Then comes collaborate. It's very important to use the word collab because in this situation, in this era, especially in 2026, collaboration is the most powerful word. And don't think that, okay, I am just 16 or I'm just 15 or I'm just 19. I got a list of 1,000 people who are millennial. They are below 12. So the first message for you all, don't think that এখন কাজ করার সময় না. You have to study and work both. But I'm not saying that you have to join for a company. No. Even you can use your computer since you are using all mobile, Insta. Instead of using only Insta, use some other apps, social apps, so that you can connect your friends, communicate with them, collaborate, and build up relationships. A friendly relationship, a business relationship. That's actually called social skills. So এরকম হয়েছে যারা যারা বিদেশে গিয়েছো, যারা যারা দেশের বাইরে গিয়েছো, এরকম হয়েছে লিফটে উঠেছো, হ্যাঁ লিফটে উঠেছো, এন্ড আমরা বাংলাদেশে লিফটে উঠে কি হবে, তোমরা একটু সবাই ওদিকে যাও, আমি একজনকে চাই who will role play with me. আচ্ছা, ও আর আমি এখন দুজনে লিফটে উঠবো, হ্যাঁ ওকে, আমিও লিফটে উঠবো, তুমিও লিফটে। এইটা লিফট, আমরা দুজনেই আসছি এখন। লাইন ধরে, তুমি লাইন ধরে
You could have told me. I
Okay, that was Bangladeshi lift. Okay, let's say France. So I'm from USA, she's from France. Ready? আমরা তুমি ওদিক থেকে আসবে, আমি দিক থেকে। Oh, excuse me. Take. Thank you. Thank you. Seven. Too hot outside, right? Do you work here? Oh, you're perfect. Thank you. এর মধ্যে আরেকজন লিফট উঠবে। I'm taking my chance to get out. There's a switch. These are two tech lifts, so sometimes we don't see tweaks and even they understand boys. Even they understand boys. Hey lift, I don't want to go to 12. I want to go to 15. See? It doesn't. So you study there?
Yeah, I studied
Which subject?
science.
Science. What makes you interested to join science? Practical thinking? Wow. Oh my literature. So what was the difference between Bangladesh lift and the USA and France lift? Communication, looking up. So do you see any benefits by having a little chit chat inside the lift? Do you see any benefits or do you see any advantage?
Know about the person to connect with the person. You feel good about yourself.
What about yourself? And anything else? Anything else? Huh? Give you confidence. Culture, show your own culture. Like I'm polite, I'm respectful, I am helpful. You think that we follow these cultural, things inside Bangladeshi lives? No. We are busy with my mobile and always keep our forehead like this, as if I am just going to fight with someone, and rude, as if like I'm an angry young man in a Hollywood movie. You think that we should follow this book of power? Excuse me. I guess the first, I have already introduced the first power, that is called look up. Okay? Right? Now the second power. We already did it inside the lead, right? Why? গ্রিটিংটা কিরকম হতে পারে? গ্রিটিংটা নরমালি হ্যাঁ, গুড মর্নিং. ওকে, she likes to say good morning. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. No. Why? Don't laugh. That's another kind of greeting. Assalamu alaikum. Sorry, bye is not the start. It's not the start. আজকে তোমার সঙ্গে আমার প্রথম দেখা হইলো, বাই বাই. আসসালামু আলাইকুম. ইয়া, সেকেন্ড ওয়ান, আসসালামু আলাইকুম. আর কি হতে পারে? এখানে দেখো, আসসালামু আলাইকুম. কেউ বলবে নমস্কার, কেউ বলবে গুড মর্নিং, কেউ বলবে হ্যালো, কেউ বলবে নাইস স্যার ম্যাম. Greeting. That's called greeting, right? So, what do you think? Greet is important? Greet is important. That actually the connecting point. So what was the first connecting point? Look up. Look up. Don't look down. Look up. Walk and smile. Don't just look up with smile. But not like that you have to show your all teeth. Not like that. It's like smiley face. And second power is greet. Look up and greet. Please greet. Now the third one, ask is very important. That is the third power. You looked up with smile face. You greeted, Assalamu alaikum. And now what? You ask something. But ওর জায়গাতে প্রবলেমটা ওর না, প্রবলেমটা আমাদের। বিকজ আমরা ওকে বলছি, ডু ইউ লাইক স্পাইডারম্যান? ইয়েপ। আর আমি যদি ওকে আবার দেখি, আচ্ছা ওকে কোন কোয়েশ্চেন করলে ও ইয়াপ ছাড়া আনসার দিতে পারবে? মানে ইয়াপ দিয়ে আনসার দেওয়া যাবে? Ask a question that he cannot answer with just yes.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Aisha. So, do you work on regular school?
Yes. No. That is called the close question. That is called the close question. What is close question? Do you like Spider-Man? Yes. Do you like to eat? Yeah. Do you like burger? Yeah. Do you like Facebook? No. Do you like Insta? What are the most important thing that you like in Insta? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. No, that's not the answer. I say, huh? Reels. That is the point. You can't answer with just one yes or no. You have to say word. So that is called the closed question. You are asking that well.
Conversation part.
No. Open-ended question. Which your question will definitely help him or her to answer. Not just with yes, no, maybe. You understand? So can you ask any open-ended question?
What do you think about that? Or what?
Husband will usually embody confidence in the mind.
There are many parts of boxing. What do you think about what?
শোনা যাচ্ছে না এটা আবার মিউজিক বাজায় তো
On board.
You can't going to use your body weight and
see he's answering
There are different kinds of boxing, such as the Muay Thai.
are you martial arts?
Yeah, even for just martial arts too.
Okay.
look you will find people who actually যারা একটু কম কথা বলতে চায় so our responsibility is to ask him or her an open-ended question that requires at least one sentence.
What's your protein?
Probably around 180 grams.
180 grams? So how do you calculate 180 grams?
ChatGPT.
So what prompt actually used for ChatGPT?
How much protein is in 300 grams of meat?
See, so even a person who doesn't like to talk, because of your open-ended question, you are actually forcing him to answer you. That is called the ask, the power of ask. So today we learned two types of questions. What? Closed question and open-ended question. Which is more powerful? Why? Yes, to answer your question with not only yes or no, but also with a sentence or with a paragraph, I guess. Thank you for this role play. Thank you. Please, the fourth power. What? What is this?
Understand for this.
Huh? Listen. Disrespected. Right. Can you say it loudly?
Disrespected.
They will come here. The stage, the Oscar stage. What happened if someone interrupted you?
They feel disrespected, they feel demotivated because they feel like you're not listening to them, or they feel like you're not giving them any importance in their conversation or for their ideas or opinions.
Right. So, do you think that interruption is very good? No, interruption is not good. So, would you like to interrupt someone, or are we communicating just to talk or to reply? আমরা অনেক সময় আছি সবাই আমরা কথা মানে উত্তর দেওয়ার জন্য কথা বলি আমাকে অ্যানসার দিতেই হবে I have to answer as if I have every answer I'm a living encyclopedia. Thank you. একটা হাততালি ওর জন্য this is your power number 4. Listen. Now the power number 5. What is this? আচ্ছা ধরো আমি কয়েকটা কোয়েশ্চেন দেই তোমাদেরকে হ্যাঁ Your friend hasn't replied for 6 hours. How many of you think they are ignoring you? That was my question. Loudly বলতে হবে. Yes, no, maybe. No. Okay. So no জিতেছে. কেন no জিতেছে? কে বলবে? Maybe busy. আর কি হতে পারে answer? Sorry? Busy with other stuff? Okay. Now the second question. Second question হচ্ছে your friend, look, your friend suddenly becomes quiet. Your friend suddenly becomes quiet. Should you immediately ask what's wrong?
No.
Yes. How many of you say yes? Yes. And how many no? And maybe one or two, three. Okay. Okay. Number three. Someone unfollows you on Instagram. Should you stop talking to them?
Yeah.
Yeah? How many of you? Everybody, everyone wants to stop talking to him. Why? Number five. Someone always sits alone. Someone always sits alone. Does it automatically mean they don't like people? No. No. Why no? Why no?
They could be very
There can be a reason. Huh?
introverted.
So what would be our responsibility? Go and talk to them. Fantastic, fantastic. Now, number six. A friend gets lower mark than usual and says, I'm fine. Should you believe only the words? No. No. Why? Maybe. Okay. Your best friend forgets your birthday. Does it mean they don't care about you anymore? No. Okay. A classmate never speaks in class. Does that mean they have no confidence? Your classmate never speaks in class. Does that mean they have no confidence?
No.
Now, power number six. Respect. আমরা লিফটে যে কাজটা করেছি সেখানে কি রেসপেক্ট ছিল? আমরা দুইটা রোল প্লে করেছি, বাংলাদেশ, দেন বাই জাপান, ইউএসএ। রেসপেক্ট ছিল? রেসপেক্ট আসে কিভাবে? ম্যানার্স, বিহেভিয়ার্স। একজন সিনিয়র উঠেছে, তুমিও উঠেছো, তো তুমি সিনিয়রের সামনে কিভাবে দাঁড়াবে সেটাও একটা রেসপেক্টের জায়গা না? সে তোমাকে দেখে ফিল করবে না তোমার বিহেভিয়ার, তোমার অ্যাটিটিউড থেকে? Etiquette. So respect is very very important because এই রেসপেক্টের জায়গা থেকেই you don't know যে opportunity আসতে পারে because of your attitude, your behavior. Power number 7, and that is the last one.
Be real.
Be real. People should recognize you the way they see you in Instagram. You should also feel the same. You have to portray the same attitude, behavior when you are out of Instagram. For example, কালকে সকালবেলা যদি সবগুলো অ্যাপ চলে যায়, কজনকে তুমি সরাসরি ফোন দেবে?